Vietnam Holiday Video 3 of 3 Ancient My Son. My Son is Vietnam's smaller and lesser known equivalent to Cambodia's Angkor Wat. My Son is an ancient Hindu-style temple complex built by the Champa Kingdom and located not too far from the bustling city of Da Nang or the Hoi An tourist town. It's well off the main tourist trail, but well worth a visit if Asian archaeology is of any interest. You can get there by taxi or hotel car. There may also be tours. The site is surrounded by dense forest. When you arrive on site, buy your tickets. In 2018 they're $9 Australian. Then you are free to explore. I would suggest you stay a minimum of 2 hours, take a hat and water. Near the ticket place is the site's only public toilet. One of the buildings has been re-roofed and set up as a display area. You can also come across My Son's site artifacts on display in Da Nang. The site got quite a bit of a hammering during the Vietnam War, but quite a bit of restoration work has already happened and more is in progress. Some bits are probably still as found by the French explorer Henri Parmentier about 100 years ago. We visited this site in 2014. It was very relaxed and laid back, well worth a visit. A simpler, smaller alternative to the amazing but highly commercialized Angkor Wat. I hope this third video has given you an idea of what to expect here at My Son. If you liked what you saw and would like to see the first or second Vietnam holiday videos, please consider liking and subscribing, then click on the video link of interest. If you subscribe and visit my channel, you will see similar style videos on many other countries. There are no annoying adverts or requests for funding. Bob Jackson and Lilia, his fellow traveller.